how to access eBay Seller Hub. So if you want to access eBay Seller Hub, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, search for eBay and go with ebay.com. Once you're here, you need to make sure that you've logged into your account and then go with My eBay, which will be in the top right, and then click on Selling. Once you click on Selling, just wait for a few seconds till it loads. Now here you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down and then go with Selling section right here. Click on Selling. Once you click on it, you'll get this kind of interface, right? Now you can go with List an Item, which will be on the right side. And from here, you can follow up with the process to start selling. Now you can go back if you have already selected a draft. Like for example, I'll just simply go back, and here if you scroll down, then you will have all of your draft right here. If you already have some drafts, you can just simply go with Resume Draft, which will be on the right side. You can view the scheduled or the active, the orders, the unsold, the payments, or shipping labels. You will have all of these other options right here. In this way, you'll be able to access your eBay Seller Hub. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.